Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to copy Photoshop layers from one file to another. We enter Photoshop and start by selecting the layers we want. To select multiple layers, we hold down the Control key and select them. Now, we are going to right-click on the layers and choose the Duplicate Layers option. In the pop-up window, we are going to decide the destination document for those layers and click OK. After that, we will see that the layers have been copied from one file to another. Another option to make this copy is to select the layers we want and drag them to the destination document where we will drop them. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.